Hello, good morning, and welcome back. This is our part 5 of poem The Brook. We have seen about many description about the brook. Okay, we have seen about brook very nicely. I have already told you the way that he follow, the journey that he has to travel, the destination that he has to get. Okay, so we have seen from previous stanzas, we have good idea about its journey, how it starts a journey from a source and how it would like to get his destination for joining a brimming or overflowing river. So we have seen in its life lots of turn, challenges, hurdles came, okay, and how he faced all the things. Same like that, in our life also came many challenges, hurdles, and problems. So we should also try to face them. We should also try to overcome on them. We should win the challenges. We should work hard for gaining our target or aim, for reaching or rushing towards our destination. Okay, so we have seen many stanzas and now have good idea about brook. Okay, so now we are solving 4 to 5 stanzas again. Okay, please keep open your book. So I have prepared for you. I have written the lines in short. So in your book you can see the lines. Okay, and you can see the proper stanzas. So please keep open your book. And if you don't have book, you just try to get the book. Okay, you just try to get the books from the bookshop. Okay, and if suppose you don't have from there also, you may just download the stanzas. You should download the PDF from particular lesson. Okay, so now, okay, we are solving the stanzas. Keep open the book. So I wind about, I am checking for the line. I wind about dash 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 grayling. Okay, I wind about and in and out means there are many ups and downs come in the way of brook. Okay, in on the way of brook, many ups and down appears, many ups and down come. Okay, so in its life or in everyone's life there are many ups and downs. We are human being, same like brook, in our life also came many ups and downs all the time, so we should not fear for them. Okay, same like that, the brook doesn't care for them. The brook just ignore them and flows by traveling its own path. Okay, so I wind about and in and out with here a blossom selling. Okay, he has a blossom selling. Its sailing means it's flowing. Okay, as the brook was sailing means the brook was following its destination. He was flowing continuously. It means he was flowing on its way for getting the destination. Okay, for joining the brimming river. So in its life, on his way, lots of challenges and ups and downs come. Okay, then and here and there a lusty trot, and here and there a grayling. Okay, lusty trot means a kind of fish, a freshwater fish. Okay, a freshwater fish is lusty trot, and grayling means another kind of freshwater fish. Okay, so in the stanza, poet was talking about the fishes, different kind of fishes. Okay, that flows with the brook. Okay, so the brook has lots of ups and downs in his life. Okay, and when the brook falls down from the height, okay, it makes bubble. Okay, and when the brook travel on his way, okay, so lots of noises appears. Okay, and while he was traveling, while he travels, so many fishes and water creatures also flows with the brook. Okay, so that's why they call I wind about and in and out with hair blossom sailing. Okay, while he was sailing, while he was just following his way, okay, so many ups and down come, and while he was sailing, while he sails, so that time many fishes, many kinds of freshwater fishes also flows with him. Okay, next. And here and there a foamy flake. Foamy flake means foam. Okay, a type of foam. Okay, so when the brook falls down from the heightened place, from the height, when he falls down on the rock, okay, on the stones, so that time the foam appears. Foam appear after falling down in downside from the top. Okay, so when it comes from top to down, the foam appears. Okay, foamy flake appears upon me as I travel with many a silver water break. And when it runs, when it flows, okay, and it gets many pebbles, rocks, stones. Okay, so when its water crush another waves or water, so it looks like silver. Okay, it looks like silver in color. Okay, so upon me as I travel with many a silver water break. When water is when water is broken by joining the another waves or stones or pebbles, so it looks silver in color. Okay, above the golden gravel. Okay, and when the brook passes over the golden gravel, means the pebbles look like golden in color. Okay, so we can talk about the golden stones. Okay, when the brook passes from stone, they looks golden. Okay, they look golden in color, while the water crush the stones, while the water just join and crush and meet the stones. So as sunlight falls on that surface of the stones emerge like golden in color. Okay, so next we will see the next stanza. And draw them all along the flow. So when the brook passes from different hills, places, villages, banks, so it carries different things with him. It flows different things that coming on its way, he carries all the things. Brook carries all the things. Okay, so and draw them all along and flow to join the brimming river. So the brook carries fishes. Okay, it carries foams, flaws, fishes, stones. So he carries everything with it. Okay, and now why he was in hurry? Because he would like to join the brimming river. The brimming river, the overflowing river is its destination. So he was in hurry, and it is eternal truth. Okay, no one has to stay for a long time, but it is continuously flowing. Okay, so for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. It means generation after generation of men came. It is an eternal truth. Generation after generation of men came and died, but the brook is still flowing. Okay, means it does its work continuously without stopping. Okay, next. I still by lawn and grassy plots. Then he passes from quiet place. He passes from grassy land, grassy field. Okay, he passes from empty plots. I slide by hazel covers. Okay, then he cover a kind of shrub. Hazel cover means a kind of shrub. Okay, then the water of the brook covers and passes from a kind of shrubs. Many shrubs are there. Okay, so he passes from the shrubs. I moved the sweet forget-me-nots that grow for happy lovers. Means when the brook sees touch me not plant. Touch me not, you can call in Hindi chui moi. Okay, when we touch the leaves of that plant, it unfold. Okay, it folds itself. Okay, it shrink. Okay, when we touch the leaves of touch me not plant. Okay, it closed. The leaves are closed. Okay, so when the brook sees touch me not plant, he carries touch me not plant's flower and leaves for happy lovers, because lovers likes that leaves and flowers of touch me not plant. Okay, so then he tells us that when he moves from touch me not or forget me not plant, so he carries the flowers for happy lovers. So he is showing different activities. Okay, he shows different manner. Sometimes he goes to zigzag way, sometimes he makes curve on the bank. Okay, when it gets angry, so he shows different ways. He shows different acts, as we have seen different aspect in our life, as human faces different aspect of life in his life. Okay, so I sleep, I slide, I gloom and glance. Then the brook, sometimes it slips from the valley, sometimes it slides from the hills. Okay, I gloom, I glance. So sometimes it is moving through in a different direction, sometimes the brook is making zigzag way, sometimes it makes curve. So it all are showing its different aspect or activities. Okay, among my scheming swallow. Okay, so sometimes the swallow words dances on its water, and when the sunlight appears on its water, so the brook think that the beam of sunlight likely to dance and want to dance on its water. Okay, so it was all about the 5 stanzas. Okay, I hope you learn very well. We'll see in next lecture. Okay, and you learn everything properly. Whatever I am giving to you in homework images, you should write down in your fair copy and learn the things properly, and tell to your friend to watch all the videos. Okay, in a good manner. Thank you.